everybody! Welcome to another JIMBUNAS Story Time. Today we are going to read a very simple book, but it's also very fun. And this book is called Cat the Cat. Who is that? Who is that? So Cat the Cat is this person. Well, not person, this animal. Cat the Cat. And Cat the Cat is wearing a pink shirt. Cat the Cat, and she is going to meet a bunch of different animal friends. At the same time as we meet them with her, I want you guys to ask, who is that? So can you say, who is that? Nice. So who is that? It's like when you meet someone and you don't know who it is, you can ask, who is that? Like when you meet with mommy's friends or something, you can say, Mommy, who is that? And then she can say, oh, that's your grandmother, or that's mommy's friend, or something. So who is that? Okay? Can we say it together? Who is that? One more time. Go. Awesome. So, Cat the Cat, Who is That? By Mo Willems. We're gonna find out. Let's find out all her animal friends. Cat the Cat, who is that? It's... Who is this? Who is this? What animal is this? It's Mouse the Mouse. Hi, Mouse the Mouse. Hello there. Hello there. When you meet somebody, you can say, hello there. How are you? Hello there. Ready? Are you ready to say, Cat the Cat, who is that? Who is that? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Cat the Cat, who is that? Nice. Cat the Cat, who is this? This is... It's Duck the Duck. Hi, Duck the Duck. A pleasure as always. A pleasure means it's very nice to see you. Very nice to meet you. I am happy to see you. A pleasure as always. Cat the Cat, who is that? Awesome. Cat the Cat, who is that? It's Fish the Fish. Hi, Fish the Fish. Hey, dude. Dude, this word, you use it with your friends and your buddies. Hey, dude. Yo, dude. How's it going? It's Fish the Fish. Cat the Cat likes her friends. Sure do. I like my friends. Ready? Cat the Cat, who is that? Who is that? Eep! When you see something and you're scared, you go, eep! Who is that? Do you know who that is? I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. I don't know. Blargy, blargy. Whoa, what animal goes blargy, blargy? I have no idea. Maybe. Maybe. It's a new friend. Blargy, blargy. Blargy, blargy. The end. Awesome. So Cat the Cat made a new friend. Thank you for sticking around and watching our storytime video. Feel free to go back and watch the video again or check out our other storytime videos, and we'll see you again soon. Bye. See ya.